Welcome back to today's market analysis videos on Wednesday the 8th of Feb with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Antec Markets, looking at cable. And we've seen a big rally on cable yesterday. This Brexit debate that's going on in the Houses of Parliament in the UK continues to sort of throw the market around, really. Big sharp rally into the close yesterday, which has actually formed a bull hammer, you could argue, or at the very least a bullish engulfing pattern, bullish key one day reversal, whatever you want to call it, and that sort of has again turned around the outlook, but I think it's just more very volatile, really more mixed. You sort of had an intraday drop below the 24.30 level intraday yesterday, but rallied sharply back through it, and I sort of now the opinion, I think cable is just, it's very difficult to call, really. I think that move yesterday just proves it, because yesterday that break below 24.10 was a decisive move, performing all the sort of way that technicals should do, and then obviously this fundamental or news flow driven move yesterday evening just completely and utterly changed the outlook again. But you are trading below the sort of moving averages, arguably, and you sort of would point towards this being a range play still on the momentum indicators, certainly on the RSI. So it is a move that I think ultimately doesn't change a great deal. I think it just suggests that the market is just volatile, and just be careful on taking profits on near-term positions, I think, because you can get these little Brexit related moves that pull cable either sharply higher or sharply lower. Yesterday was sharply higher, as it turns out that the Tories are sort of putting a little bit of a stumbling block underneath Theresa May, so subsequently cable pulls higher sterling strength, but ultimately it's still very volatile. Dollar is generally tending to be just a little bit mixed at the moment, so I think it sort of all adds up to being a fairly choppy market in the sort of coming days and weeks. 25.45 is your initial resistance now, following on from that peak yesterday. But yeah, I mean, I suppose 24.30 comes back in, or 24.30, 24.10, 24.30 comes back in as your basis of support, and obviously yesterday's low 23.45 is basically consolidating today, and it's going to be a very difficult chart to I think call now. So I hope that gives you a little bit of help, although it might not seem it. I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.